Hey there, this is Tony, and I'm a farmer. But this morning, I'm going to actually make some soup out of some of my scratch and dent tomatoes. So, these tomatoes travel, and once in a while, one will get bruised that I can't bring to the market. And so instead of throwing this away, when you live in a very cold climate, what's more fantastic during the middle of the day is to have a nice bowl of soup. So today, we're going to use these Mighty Vine tomatoes. I'm going to cut off the damaged parts, and I'm just gonna, lay them on a little pan, a little bit of salt, pepper. In this case, I'm using some smoked olive oil, and I'm gonna roast these at 450 degrees for about 20 minutes. These tomatoes are gonna start to blister, and at that point, then I'll put them into a blender and add the seasoning and spices, and in less than, an hour and a half, we're gonna have some fantastic soup. I just want to check in on the tomatoes and see how they're coming along. Boy, they're roasting up beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those Mighty Vine tomatoes, all that juice that's in them. Those tomatoes are fantastic. Not much longer. So now we have our roasted tomatoes. And while I was at it, I roasted a little bit of garlic. So here we are, the final result with our Mighty Vine tomato soup that we made. This is real easy to do. Again, the big key is adding flavors to it that you like. In my case, coming from California, I love peppers. And so here at the farm, we have our partners that created some ghost peppers. So I wanted my tomato soup to have a little bit more of a kick to it. And also, we do grow some fantastic garlic in this region. We have that. And then, the staple, what's Italian food without Provel cheese if you're in St. Louis? You've never heard of this stuff in California, but out here in St. Louis, it's big. So here we go with the final result. There you go, baby.